Janelle and this is toDIYfor, and I don't know if I'm the only person who feels this way, but I've noticed since I moved into my new apartment, because I don't have everything fully unpacked, I really haven't been wearing a lot of jewelry recently because it's all tucked away in little boxes. And I find I wear more jewelry when I have it out on display. I can see it and think, oh yeah, I should grab that piece and pair it with this outfit. It would look great. So I thought I'd come up with a jewelry organization system that is also going to look really great on your walls, because if your jewelry looks great on you, why not have it on display in your bedroom or bathroom or wherever it is you have your jewelry set up. So let's get into this very simple DIY to organize your jewelry.
Okay, so what I grabbed were these little wooden dowels from my dollar store and these wood blocks from Michael's. They are 1.5 inch cubes, and then just some crafter's paint from the dollar store. So I'm mixing blue and black here together because I want to get more of a navy blue color, because that's what I have in my bedroom right now. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paint these cubes on all sides. And in hindsight, I probably should have done this after drilling holes into the cubes, but I gave these a couple of coats of paint and allowed them to dry. And as for the wooden dowels, I'm using some gold metallic paint here to kind of make them look like gold metal rods. It's just a cheaper way to do it. So find a drill bit that's the exact same size as those little wooden dowels, and you're gonna drill right through your cube. Now, like I said, in hindsight, it probably would make more sense to paint after you've drilled your holes, because I had to do some touch-ups afterwards. But your poles should slide right through, and that's how you hang your jewelry. The last piece is just how we hang these on the wall. I decided to glue some thumbtacks onto the back of my piece, and I quickly found out that hot glue, not the best glue to use for this. Had this fall down after I hung jewelry on it. However, I went back and I used a much stronger glue like E6000, and I haven't had any problems because a lot of my jewelry isn't too heavy. But they press into the wall really easily, as you can see. I varied the heights and their spacing just because I have long necklaces and accommodate short necklaces and my rings, and that's it.
DIY. I'm really loving it, and I do think I'm going to be wearing a whole lot more of my beautiful jewelry now that I have it nicely displayed and organized. If you enjoyed this video, give the DIY a like, and don't forget to send me some photos if you try it out for yourself at home. I'd love to see. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at JanelleSteeper, and then just tag me in those photos so I can check out your DIYs. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Welcome. I do weekly DIYs on Wednesday, so subscribe so you don't miss a video. Cheers, and I'll talk to you next week.